DJI Air 3 development entrance update. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. We've had a beautiful day today here in Florida. It's in the mid-80s. It's not very sunny. It's ideal. It's my kind of weather here right now because the humidity isn't oppressing. So today, what I thought I'd like to do is to take the DJI Air 3 up. They recently pressure washed, cleaned, and repainted and touched up the fountain at the entrance to the development. We're going to take a close-up look at it, and then we're going to do a spotlight on it. So let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to take the DJI Air 3 up today. See how many satellites we got. We got 22 satellites. Let's go ahead and get screen recording started. And screen recording is underway. Let's go ahead and move that guy out of the way, like I always like to do. All right, I think we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and take off. Video 4K 30. Get that underway. And up to about 100 feet like I like. Alright, we're there. Go ahead and just pitch the gimbal a little bit. There we go. Beautiful day today. It's like 82 degrees here. It is just absolutely wonderful. We're going to go up to the entrance here and take a look at things up there. So and over to the left is our house over there. We have recently completed every home, I believe, with the exception of maybe two, has been sold, and we just elected a new board, HOA board. So we're thrilled about that, and hopefully we'll get some positive changes that we need for our community here. Okay, we're going to flip it around because I recently spent some time cleaning the front entrance up, and let's go ahead and spin this around here. Back things up a little bit. Let's move it over just a tad. And we're going to get down here. We're going to go, go under 100 feet. That's probably about where I want to go. We're going to get up a little closer to the sign here, or the end at the entrance here. And take a look at some things. Take a look. They cleaned that. What they did was they did some repair work, and they pressure washed and did some painting to the fountain at the entrance right there, and I think they did a real good job here. Let's go down the other end a little bit and take a look over there. Okay, that's looking pretty good here. And again, this is where I'm pretty low here, but I wanted to kind of give you guys a great view of this. And take it up just a little bit. And then we're going to adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. Let's take a look from up above here. Really appreciate it from this view. You don't really see this when you're driving in and out every day, but that is a nice fountain. They really did a great job when they designed this right here. I could not be more pleased with that. We're going to adjust the pitch of the gimbal here and take it back up to about 100 feet. Let's go ahead and back up. Adjust that pitch a little bit more. Okay, let's get this going here. Okay, we're going to do a point of interest spotlight mode on the front here. And again, this is from about 100 feet up. And one thing you need to remember when you do spotlight mode, point of interest, you do need to manually hit record. It does not start automatically. Now, well, you see the entrance to our development there. One of the things, we have standard kind of gate arms. We're talking, a lot of residents would prefer like a wrought iron gate that slides all the way across, that would block both the sidewalk and the entrance, and also to have a servicing company monitor it so you don't need attendants at the gate. I'm very much in favor of that as well. And also, I'm very much in favor, this is the only entrance and exit to our development, and the builder did put some areas in where there's not homes that access the road over to the north. And I'm hoping that we're going to talk about getting at least another exit out of the development in case we need to evacuate, and say for a hurricane. And the only reason we evacuate for hurricanes it's flash flooding, not because of the winds. This provides a great perspective of the front entrance from behind. You really normally don't see it. Now you can also see cars waiting to get into the development. They're waiting for the gate attendant to let them in. What we do is we put out on a database people that we expect, like relatives or Amazon or Instacart or things like that. So, or UPS or FedEx. And then of course we pass to the right. We have a barcode on our vehicles that opens the gate for us automatically. Again, this is a great perspective of our entrance. I really like being able to do the spotlight point of interest mode here to show that. And we're just about 100% of the way there, getting close. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stop that and get out of spotlight mode. And we're going to go ahead and return to home now.
Return to home.
Really appreciating the temperature right now. It's so nice to be in the 80s right now. I'm really enjoying my new flying spot. I'm setting up at the near the clubhouse, and usually on weekends there's not a lot of people here, especially like this time of year right now. Okay, we are overhead.
Landing.
And let's see how we do here. Looking pretty good. Looking real good here. All right, that was a successful flight of taking a look at the entrance, see how they cleaned it in spotlight mode. Question of the day: what did you think of the DJI Air 3 development entrance update? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.